Welcome back to Area 51. Local King here with the Xbox update drop on the fixing the bugs. I'm going to run a real quick day to see if the bugs have been fixed. Time to open the shop. Area 51 is now open and ready for business. Let's see if they fix all the glitches.
Anyway, just give me a bell to say, oh, a ripper time.
Is it good? Let's try this. That came just perfect.
Now,
good.
From across the ditch, mate.
That was always an issue. Alright, pump's supposed to be fixed. Not supposed to go over. Let's see if they fix that. Getting there. 8 cents. It went over 8 cents. Still a lot better than what we always did. Always like $1, $2, $3. My camera's working. Are they taking pictures and everything? Yep, those should have been done. Cameras are still working inside. Robot's working. Good. That camera's fine. That camera's fine. Yes, we put one on the
umbrella.
On the umbrella. Thank you. My brain went blank. I'm about to go to work, and I'm running on very low sleep. Not unusual for Loco. We all know that. And I did message the game developers on Discord. They said this is being too humanized. They wanted to be more alienized. Well, I'm here to tell you right now that I don't get no agents, but I do have the detector down in here like crazy. I need a probe agent to live to tell the tale, but I can't get an agent to come in here. I think they just need to come in on a regular basis and interrogate. Basically, I'm just running a gas station. Making money. That's basically all I'm doing now. I'm maxed out. You only have 2 things left to buy for Alien Attack. There's 2 things. Automatic probe toilet and the replicator, which I'll probably never buy the replicator because it takes alien money to use it, and it's just cheaper to buy from store. But yeah, my store is maxed. I have everything. No problem. So you keep adding more stuff to the store, I got you. I'll update and show it on the first day. I guarantee it. That's working fine. I'm not worried about them. Bring an agent. Bring an agent. Bring an agent.
Why are we still behind them?
Bring an agent. I'm not scared. Bring an agent. I'm not scared. Like I said, my suspicion bar is so low, it's not even funny. I can do whatever I want. I can probe them. I can shoot them with lasers. I can do whatever I want to their face. Take pictures, record them, go around with a camera. I won't go around the camera. Bring the agents on. How's your day going, man? Can the camera? Bring it. Bring it. Bring the agent. I need a probe guy. Bring him. Bring it. Bring it. I ain't scared. Probe your butt. Well, that didn't go well. That didn't go well. I figured out how to get them to come, so that's a plus. I'm just gonna go crazy. Yep, I'm just gonna go crazy. That's what Loco does. We're gonna bring agents to the store. Yes, we are. I'm gonna probe them and get on to the next mission.